Meet the GameSir SuperNova, a $50 US controller with Hall effect sticks, swappable faceplates, a charging dock and a full customization. Sounds insane, right? Let's see if it delivers. So buckle up, subscribe and let's dive in. Alright, inside the box you get the controller, a 2.4 GHz dongle, a charging dock, the usual GameSir sticker, warranty and manuals, don't toss those. There's also a 1.5 meter USB cable. Now, the dock isn't just for charging, it's also a receiver. Plug the dongle into the dock, connect the dock to your PC via USB-A, and that's it. No need to take up an extra port for the dongle. The dock handles both power and wireless connection. Oh, and there's a swappable green magnetic faceplate. We'll check that out in a sec. First, let's take a closer look at the controller. So this has an Xbox style layout with offset sticks, which in my opinion is the best layout. But here's the thing, it's nicer than the standard Xbox controller. If you've seen my review of the Easy SMX budget controller, this one is a definite step up in quality. You get a clean gradient finish, subtle RGB, and the way the lights seamlessly flow onto the charging dock, that's just a nice touch. Plus 2 color options, pink and grey or blue and black. And then there's a magnetic faceplate, swap it instantly, and when you do, you can even rearrange the ABXY buttons, perfect if you're using it on the Switch. There are also 2 programmable back buttons. I don't really use them, but if you do, they are there. Turning it on is simple, just make sure the switch at the back is set to Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz. Middle position, that's off. Then press and hold the home button. Turning it off, toggle the switch to off, but honestly you don't have to do that every time. If left idle for 10 minutes, it auto sleeps, just press home to wake it. Alright, let's see how this works in real life. Wired? Yes, you can plug it in via USB-C, every controller does that. 2.4 GHz, this is what I prefer. It's faster than Bluetooth, no pairing hassle, just plug in the USB dongle, set the switch to 2.4G and press home. Done. Now, Bluetooth. Set the switch to Bluetooth mode, then press and hold home and screenshot button until the LED flash rapidly. On PC, just select wireless controller in Bluetooth settings. It remembers the connection, so no need to pair it every time. This works with PC, Switch, Android and iOS, so let's test it on a gaming beast, the Asus ROG Phone 9. To pair, switch to Bluetooth mode, then press and hold home and A until the battery LEDs start blinking. On a phone, let's select GameSir SuperNova Pro in Bluetooth settings. That's it, ready to game. Compatibility is a big win here. PC, Switch, Android, iOS, it connects to everything. Honestly, if your washing machine had Bluetooth, it would probably connect that too. Now, the Hall effect sticks and triggers are super responsive, 0 stick drift, no latency issues, and a 1000 Hz polling rate. Yeah, you can feel it. I've tested this with fast shooters, racing games, RPGs, no hiccups. Now, the membrane buttons, they are stepped down from micro switches, but they're quiet and still plenty responsive. Like I said earlier, 2.4 GHz is my go-to. It's just faster than Bluetooth. Sure, it drains more battery, but honestly, worth it. And if you're chasing absolute 0 latency, you can always plug in via USB-C. But let's be real, it's a wireless controller and it's fast. Now, about trigger stops. My first thought, do I really need this? But then I tried them in Modern Warfare 3 and guys, trust me, try it if you can. It changes everything. Oh, and there's also a hair trigger mode. Customization here is also solid. Swappable ABXY buttons, just pop off the faceplate and move them manually to fit your layout. Perfect if you're switching to a Nintendo setup. Now, if you saw my GameSir Tarantula Pro review, you'll know I loved the physical remapping on that one. Here is just full manual swaps, which works, but I was hoping for the same quick remap system. RGB lighting, also customizable. Press M and move left stick left or right to cycle through lighting effects. M and left stick up or down adjust brightness, and M plus D-pad up and down change saturation intensity. And you can fine-tune dead zones, vibration intensity, and also stick and triggers calibration through the GameSir app, but honestly, the app user interface could be better. Battery life, solid. The 1000 mAh battery provides up to about 20 hours of gameplay on a single charge. And the charging dock makes charging a breeze. Just drop the controller on it when you're done. So, what's the GameSir SuperNova all about? It's trying to be your go-to controller without emptying your wallet, and honestly, it makes a solid case. First off, it's versatile, works with Android, iOS, Windows and Switch, basically everything. You got Bluetooth, wired and a low latency 2.4 GHz dongle, and if you want the best response times, the dongle pushes the polling rate up to 1000 Hz. You can feel the difference. It's also built to last with Hall effect sticks, so no stick drift ever, a problem we've all dealt with. And yeah, GameSir is finally selling those customizable faceplates separately so you can tweak the look. It's kind of like the Cyclone 2 but with a different feel, membrane buttons instead of mechanical. And the bottom line, it's packed with features and punches way above its $45 US price points. Hall effect sticks, no drift, fast wireless, check. Customization, plenty. A charging dock, a nice bonus. Now, it's not trying to be a $200 Pro controller. No adjustable stick tension, no 4 back buttons, but at this price, it doesn't need to be. It's comfortable, responsive and works on everything. But what do you think? Would you pick this up? Drop a comment and let me know. And of course, if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more no BS tech reviews. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you in the next one.
Family Pop TV. Family Pop TV. Family Pop TV. Family Pop TV.